Christmas is quickly approaching, and if you have a friend, a family member that got into gardening, or just know someone that wants to get into gardening, check this out. This is the Clyde's Garden Planner, one of the most perfect gifts for any gardener. It doesn't matter where you are in the United States or your growing zone, every gardener can use this. Let me show you some of the awesome features on it. First off, it comes with its own set of directions, just in case you forget how to use the slide chart. This is the spring side, and on the left, it's got a bunch of the garden staples. Ready to plant in the spring, you take the slide chart, see this how it slides back and forth? You find your last frost date. Ours is about April 19th, between the 26th, about right in there. If you don't know yours, back of the instructions, we'll have your approximate frost date. Once you got your approximate frost date in the right place, this line here, you can look at your garden staples and see when to plant indoors. The key's down here in case you need it. SI is start inside. FP is first plant outdoors. The green check marks is when to harvest them. You can do that for the spring, and if we flip it over, it's got a fall side also, which you can do for the fall. But telling you when to plant your seeds and when to harvest your seeds is just scratching the surface on what this thing can do. If we pull it all the way out and look in the red, it'll show you planting depth. It'll show you planting soil temperature. It'll show you how much per 10-foot row, how much seed you will need. It does distance between seeds and plants. On the right side, all this in blue, it's companion plants. So like for instance, your onions over here, if you go all the way to the right, it'll tell you what to plant with your onions that grow together really well. And I think one of the cool things about this Clyde's Garden Planner is that if poop should hit the fan and we lose internet, you don't have Google to tell you when to plant your seeds, when to harvest your seeds, what to companion plant with your seeds. Clyde's Garden Planner will be right here helping you. I promise you the gardener in your family will have a huge grin on their face when they open this present during Christmas. And if you haven't noticed by now, we have partnered with Clyde's, so you can go in the link in my bio. It's a beacon link, and you can go down to the Clyde's Garden Planner, use the promo code HOPFARM, and get yourself a Clyde's Garden Planner.